crushing now. Takin ng joke. On the way to Dubai to Eco Beach. A day in my life. Next time. First day of school. First day of PBL. This is us. Back to school. Cowgirl girlies. I'm crushing now. I don't know how to F12. F12, mom, literally. See? It's screenshotted.
Eh di ano na lang right to the camera. Wow.
This is pure skills.
Bakit ang laki ng mobile version? Well, it is off limits LV. Oy, he's dead.
Are you okay?
May sakit ka? Oh, nangyari sa'yo.
Nakita ko your post mo yung may
Ano yung reverse?
Nakita ko eh. Sabi dun sa repost niya. Ano yun? Pagka yung boys daw.
Luis LV natagpo ang...
Nasusugatan.
Nasusugatan?
Oo, mas taga naman. It's okay. But pag may sakit na, it's different na. Kaya look. Luis, just
This is for
say,
you.
we're here for you.
Parents. Hi. Look at his hair, guys. Hi. Ito ulit tayo sa may sakit.
Oo naman. Kakapikil ko rin. Takin na ni Joe. Ang ina na naman ni Joe. Wala nang ginagawa.
It's his legal name.
That's it. Pakita mo to.
Ito naman ang tugin mo.
The way to Dubai to Eco Beach.
And Ilocos and Panagat. Our best buddies. Woo. But now we're not.
You should tell me what.
We can talk about freely about our bodies. Sabi ko kanina, sige, ano ko na lang, i-mute ko na lang to. Sabi ko, meron pa eh, bayo kay mata. Diba? Got the goods.
Yes. Okay.
Yummy!
Thank you, Lord. First bite for you.
First bite, rapper lahat.
Up. First bite for you.
Good shit ba?
Better.
Yums? What's your reaction?
Better than yung sa Fish and Ali.
True.
Mas better to. Better to. I got sisi. Ano yan? 120.
There.
Ano mayonnaise?
Show it.
Harap!
Sarap na. Told you.
Ano ba? Ang dami pa. Exchange. Ba't dati dinadad mo lang sa Noval? Oo. Buti nga sumikat sa harap. Diba? Chat mo lang ganito.
Pag natsisig.
What's your review? 10 out of 10. Good. Ito, lasang tang. Tang na hinam. Literal, no? Lasang
What?
Lahat, yung sarap ka.
Diba?
Yung vocal sim natin ngayon sa kailan na to.
Can you subo me, ma'am?
Nainggit.
Okay, guys.
Kinikilig pa. May pasayaw-sayaw pa.
Lahat tayo. SK, what can you say?
Said it once and I said it again. Pag maliit, nag-overcompensate na sasakyan. It would work on me, girl.